Hey guys, there's someone in my house. He robbed me. He robbed my guns and everything. I already got this gun, and today I'm gonna go try have a gun battle. So let's go. Guys, I'm out of ammo. So guys.
I'm sorry, you're not having lights on in the daylight.
So guys, reload it. Right, let's go. Okay guys, I think I killed her. I've been really badly shot. Oh. I'm sorry guys. I have to kill myself. I'm really badly hurt, okay?